How to recover Instagram account without email, password, and phone number. If you are struggling to recover your Instagram account and nothing seems to work, then follow this step-by-step guide for a solution. First, you need to find your username. To do so, open the Instagram app. Tap on the search bar and type your name. Tap your username. Now go back and open your Chrome browser. Search for Instagram Help Center. Click on the Instagram Help Center link. Here, search or Instagram account. Tap on Hacked Instagram account. Now click on Feedback. Choose Neutral and then click on Next. Explain your problem in detail in the box provided. If you do not know what to write, you can get help from ChatGPT. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT, you can copy the text from my video description. Now copy the text. Go back to your Chrome browser and paste the text here. You should also type your username, name, and email address. Now click on Submit. You will receive an email from Instagram after 10 to 15 hours. Thanks for watching my video on how to recover Instagram account without email, password, and phone number. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, you can now subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload new videos like this.